Hello, what's up guys, my name is Shockz, welcome to my channel. Today we have another tutorial. This time I want to teach you the throat bass. So don't miss anything. If you like beatboxing, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload my new videos, tutorials, beatboxes. As its name looks like, throat bass comes from your throat and your chest. And it is a very hard voice, so it can damage your vocal cords. So don't forget to drink water. Water is your best friend. Or have some honey or tea and make your vocal cords and your throat wet, and don't push hard on it. It will damage your vocal cord. And if you see it start to burn, please stop practicing. It's a hard voice. It will take time to get it, and it's a very powerful sound. Okay, the first step is to cough or sigh very deeply. For example, when you cough very deeply, it sounds like something like this. Or maybe when you sigh, it's very deeply. You can feel some vibration in your throat. Focus on that vibration, see? It comes from somewhere like this. It's tricky to find that vibration position, and you should try so hard to find that position. Or when you cough, when you find that vibration in your throat, try to focus on that and cut the cough or sighing, and just try to keep on that vibration and make it longer, something like this. If you think if that's not working for you, you are wrong.
Nope.
That's working. That's the way you will learn it, and when you practice to keep that vibration and make it longer, it takes a lot of time for you to understand the position and the way to make that. So when you find that vibration and then you locked it, something like this, you can make that long. So it's the first step. You finish the first step. Now let's go to the second step. The second step is to higher your pitch and lower your pitch. The higher pitch sounds like something like this. And the lower pitch,
it will
Still I feel burned, so I should drink water too. See, after practicing a lot, it's still hard for me to do it for a long time. So don't forget to drink water. Don't hurt your vocal cords. You need them for beatboxing, for talking, for the rest of your life. Please take care of them and be healthy. So I was saying, where were we?
2 hours later.
Oh yes, so try to find the pitches, the lower pitch and the higher pitch. Bring it down, or I don't know how to explain that. It's a little tricky and hard. So just try to dive in it and find it the way you like it. This is the lower pitch for me. Or even you can do it with closed mouth. And the higher pitch. So when you finish those two levels, now it's the time to do some beats with that sound. And if you want to learn other sounds, check out this link and watch my other tutorial. One thing to practice the throat bass is to add do 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 to the throat bass. Something like this. And something else, for example, adding a kick to the throat bass. Another thing you can do is to make the throat bass and stop it, something like this, and do it again. Or you can add some beats between it to make it much better, something like this. So that was it guys, I hope you learned it and you enjoyed my video. I told you this is a very hard sound to get. Don't be depressed and don't stop practicing on it. It will take a long time, maybe 1 month or 2 months to get this sound very good. If you have any questions for this sound, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel for motivating me and supporting me. Thank you very much for supporting me. Have a nice day.